to them.
Let's head over to Rhonda Lee. We've been watching out the window here. It's been just downpours, just the sheets of rain coming down. And then, you know, it'll be dry and then more rain.
And then it'll do the same thing.
Yeah.
All night.
Right.
Yes, I know. And then add to the mix some wind and, well, there you go. You got winter in Seattle, everybody. Let's head outside right this moment, though. I do want to give you some totals, though. Rain-wise, we've seen our fair share across here. Bremerton, over an inch. Darrington, almost an inch. In Bothell, Snohomish County, 0.76. So you're knocking on an inch's door. But then the other thing has been this, and that has been the wind. The last time we had a gust, though, it appears that it was about almost 2 o'clock in Oak Harbor, about 45 miles per hour, that is. And so things are really starting to calm down, which is great. But having said that, it will be a short-lived calming down. And there is more wind right behind what we're seeing right about here, and the kind of stiff breeze that, you know, blows your hair this way if your hair moves. Mine does not, because it is just right where it is. But it would move your hair otherwise. And so that's what we need to keep an eye on for tomorrow as the next system comes along. Our center of high pressure is actually well to the north of us. It's this trailing cold front that's going to not be so friendly over the next few days. Still our coastal flood warning. We've had driftwood concerns. Jetties may be overturned. Now that I'm going to go back to that driftwood. That's debris, people. So if you are out there thinking you can surf on debris, good luck with that. Maybe Jordan can handle that for you later. He surfs, I think. Beach erosion is a problem, and dangerous waves, of course. So right now we stand at 43 degrees and our winds have died down, only about 7 miles per hour, but it is considerably cooler than what it was just 24 hours ago. 9 degrees cooler in Everett, for example, 7 degrees cooler in Chehalis, 10 degrees cooler in Sheldon as well. So the temperature change has been there with the first round of showers with our first cold front. So here we go with the winds. More so, pay attention to the color, because that helps you via our legend right here, give you an idea of just how strong the winds are going to be. As we move into Saturday, you see that all of the colors that we had moved well away from us and keep us relatively dry. Now, as far as snow goes, we do have some snow along the mountains. It's not a huge amount because we are seeing more of a slushy event. That's what this pink area right here represents. And so the higher elevations will continue to get the snow showers, but you notice there has been like zero in the way of a break. It's just been one conveyor belt full of moisture thanks to our oncoming fronts. Series of them headed our way. Now, with that snow, not huge amounts, but amounts nevertheless across the mountains. We're looking at upwards of about a foot as you get into Mount Baker and into Stevens Pass as well, even further to the south at White Pass, but all points in between do come in with less than a foot of snow. Now, rain-wise, we're going to keep the rain around clear through Friday. Now, this is all cumulative, so by the time we get to the edge of the weekend, we will kind of been, you know, chipping into that inch category into Seattle and into Tacoma as well. Bremerton at about 38 or 0.38, I should say, inches of rain. Now here you go. Next 7 days, we have 51 for our high tomorrow. Saturday, 47, and we keep it showery clear through the weekend as well. Next bigger system comes along into Sunday, and then into Monday, more sun breaks. And into Wednesday, not looking bad so far for us either, but rain clear through next week.